Hi, my name is Austin Harvey, and I did cognitive development. This graph here shows all the different stages of cognitive development depending on the age group. We focused on kind of 12 years old and above, so that's the adolescent stage. In this stage, they begin to abstract think. They no longer see black, white, true, false. They can expand their thoughts, kind of think outside the box, kind of see color instead of just black and white. This is great for class discussion between peers, family, friends. It's great for discussion. They are now seeing other thoughts other than just what they've been told. But oftentimes this can lead to tension between the family, friends, peers, whatever it is. The adolescent no longer wants to kind of agree to the authority figure. They have their own opinion and want to really push it and show that they have their own opinion, which can cause arguing, tension, maybe. So oftentimes that's what this picture is showing, is just a kid who's kind of annoyed with their parent. The parents just look annoyed as well. Another stage of this cognitive development in adolescence stage is multitasking. People begin to multitask at this stage, and they think it helps them, but it actually does not. It's more of a hindrance than it is as help. 2% of people can multitask effectively, this graph shows. 98% of them, it does more harm than good, does not help. As well, people think, oh, if I multitask, I think more things done, it's more effective time-wise. It actually shows here, you may feel like accomplishing more, but really trying to focus on more than one thing causes a 40% drop in productivity. So you get too distracted, too off-task, it's too much work, and it's more hindrance than it is help. Those were the two main things we learned, was the abstract thinking, the ability to abstract think in the adolescence period, and this ability to multitask. But it's not a good thing, it's actually a negative thing. It can actually do more harm than good.